Hello students, if you are watching this video, you have completed the first video on Ancient Egypt Geography Notes. You have completed notes on page number 9 and you are now ready to complete the assignment on page number 8. If you have not completed the first video, you need to go back and to Google Classroom and complete that video. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and go get this map that you're seeing on the screen, which is on the back table. Once you have done that, glue and tape it in to page number 8. You need to fold it and glue it in on page number 8. Once you have done that, so you may start the video again. Now that you have glued it in on page number 8, you will see this assignment below the video on Google Classroom. It is titled Ancient Egypt Map Assignment. It says, follow the directions to complete tasks and questions below. You will need the maps passed out in class. We are not passing out the maps in class. So the maps can also be found at, and all you have to do is either click on the link or highlight the link and copy and paste it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link and it's going to take us to a guy by the name of Mr. Brunkin's online classroom. And I'm going to keep up the assignment at all times along with the map on page number 8. The first section says, make a map. Follow the instructions to complete the blank map on page number 3. That is incorrect. It's meant to be page number 8. In past years, it has been page number 3. This year, it's going to be page number 8. It says, label and color blue the Nile River. So all you're going to do is you're going to find the Nile River on one of these maps right here. Whichever one you use is completely up to you. You are going to need all the maps to be able to do this. And then you're going to use the map on page number 8, which is this map. And you're going to label and color blue the Nile River. Then you're going to go to number 2. Label the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. You're going to go to this website, find the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, and you're going to label it. Now, a little bit of clarification. The area in gray is water. The area in white is the land, except for this white line is water as well. Lightly shaded green, all the fertile area in ancient Egypt. Once again, you're going to go to these maps, you're going to find the fertile area, you're going to do it. And this is not hard, guys. You just have to do 1 through 9. And then you get the questions. It says using the maps provided or at this website, which is what we're using, answer the questions below. Now, for those of you who are big writers, you will need an extension to answer the questions. I do not want you to go to another page to do this. I want you to make an extension on page number 8. It says, what clues from the maps show you that the Nile River was the most important geographical feature in ancient Egypt? You look at the maps, you draw conclusions, you answer the question. Then go to question 2. You can go all the way to question number 8. I do want you to write down the questions. I do want you to write down the questions. I know I usually don't, but I do. Except for number 7. You don't have to write down number 7's question because it's too long. You only have to write down 1 through 8 with the exception of number 7. I do not expect you to get this done today. I know many of you would have a question about it. You're going to be like, well, what happens if I don't get it done? Tomorrow, Tuesday, you will finish this. Okay? So, your goal is to hopefully get to make a map done whatever you don't get done, you're going to carry it over to tomorrow. Any questions? Make a comment on Google Classroom. I know I usually don't like y'all to do that. Make a comment on Google Classroom. I have a question about so-and-so, and I'll try to explain it in the best way possible. If you get done early, I will go ahead and put the second assignment on there, but I don't expect you to get finished early. Find something productive to do with your time. Prodigy, Miss Hill's project in her class, other work for other classes. You should, if you've done both videos and worked on this, and you've done exactly what you asked, you should need to take this into Tuesday. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video.